In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Trello workspace. If you're cleaning up old projects or stepping away from a team, leaving a workspace is quick and safe. This action removes you from the workspace and all of its boards, but it does not delete your Trello account, your personal boards, or the workspace itself. Your past activity, like comments, will remain for others to reference, and you can always be re-invited later if needed. Start by navigating to the correct workspace. Log into Trello and look at the left-hand sidebar where your workspaces are listed. Click the name of the workspace you want to leave. If you're part of multiple groups, double-check you're opening the one you actually want to exit. This page is your hub for everything related to that workspace, including boards, members, and settings. At the top of the workspace page, click the Members tab. This shows everyone who currently belongs to the workspace, along with their roles. It's the easiest way to manage membership, and it's where Trello places the option you'll need to leave. If you don't see it at first glance, make sure you're on the main workspace view and not inside an individual board. Now find your profile in the list of members. You can scroll through the list, but using the search or filter field is often faster. Just type your display name and you should pop right up. Take a second to confirm it's your profile, especially if your organization has several people with similar names or avatars. When you've located your profile, click the Leave button next to your name. Trello may prompt you to confirm, just to ensure you don't exit by accident. After confirming, you'll be removed from the workspace and from any boards within it. A quick tip: if you happen to be the only admin of that workspace, Trello may prevent you from leaving until another member is granted admin access. That's to make sure the workspace isn't left without oversight. Once you complete the confirmation, you're done. You'll know it worked because the workspace will disappear from your sidebar, and you'll no longer have access to its boards. If you left by mistake, contact a current member or admin and ask them to send you a new invite. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And maybe consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there is anything we can do to improve it.